Good morning. I'm here on a job site. Before you get, there's bugs. Before you get concerned, that trim color, the top is going to be black, the eaves and the fascia, and then the trim is like a, I guess a taupe, dark taupe. Dragon's breath is the color of the body. So this is a work in progress. Before, like 6 months ago, I painted the front of the building, and then they're still adding windows and everything, and so we're gonna get to the next three sides. So this week, this is work in progress. I'll show you around a little bit, but what I wanted to say is I keep ending up in mountain lion territory, and this is what it looks like. And this is what was caught on camera about a mile away. Isn't she beautiful? Here, when I have my back, I'm painting the house, when I have my back to the forest, and then I'll hear a crack of wood breaking, and then all the birds fly away, and then I think, what's going on back there? We even found a skull of some kind of animal by the front door there, by the other door. Here's this skull. Comment below if you know what kind of skull that is. Possum, raccoon, it still has the teeth on it. California is a lot more wild than people realize. The other job I was at, painting a deck up in Arnold, I saw this week a clip of like 5 mountain lions, and it's like, Arnold, California. One shows up, 2, 3, maybe it was 4 mountain lions together, obviously a family. And I was like, I was scared, and I was new to be on guard. Basically, mountain lions don't kill you. I think that there's been about 4 deaths in 100 years. Your car is more dangerous than the possibility of being attacked by a mountain lion. Okay, I digress. I'm happy in nature. I got my coffee in a jar. I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you checking back in on my channel, and let's go have some fun. Here's the before. You can see if you leave your wood unfinished, it'll get the water stains, and therefore you'd lose the chance to stain it and show the grain of the wood. This is actually going to be kind of fun because you can see exactly what it's going to become like. Then the beautiful surprise is that I have painted the doors. Ocean City is the color. Oh, it's too sunny. Okay, there we go. Yay! Okay, so the fascia still is green. I got to get that black, but there you can see this taupe. It's called Gargoyle. Pretty sure it's a Benjamin Moore. And then this is a solid stain. I went straight over the raw wood. I didn't even prime it, which I love about this. I think it's called, this is the solid stain, and the color is Dragon's Breath. And it's really dark. We're going to see the front of the building. Oh, there. See, isn't that pretty if you just cut out the green that hasn't been painted? And then here's the front. Okay, so the circle there is going to get painted this gargoyle taupe color. The body is Dragon's Breath. And then that's what it was looking like. Kind of piecemealed together. Now I'm going to take you inside. And this kitchen's gonna go green. Oh, we're going insane trying to pick greens. This ended up being too dark. So wait around and you'll get to see. Oh, we're trying to go with the brass. you know? So that I will post when I paint it. And then there's going to be a cool tile bathroom. And then there's a little bedroom with a walk-in closet too. And then the fun thing is these gardens. There's a garden out front. I mean, you have to imagine it when it's, you know, more gardened. I just love these stone steps too, you know? And then they have all these boulders to stop in case the creek gets really big. Again, checking in with you guys. What's your creative project of the week? It doesn't have to be painting. It could be knitting or gardening or building a sculpture in your garden. What's your creative project? I'd love to hear what it is. So I'm here to encourage you to do that. Get working on your creativity, and remember to like and subscribe. This little channel's getting going. And are you proud of me that I have a coffee in a jar? You're like, no, I don't care. Well, I'm proud of me because now I get to drink it. I love the bounty of Napa Valley and my clients giving me gifts. The wooden basket I bring back. Isn't it pretty? Here's my painting Cloud with Silver Line. I'm shipping out to Ladue, Missouri. Strangely, the last painting I sold before this one went to Lewis, Missouri. Shout out Missouri. This week I also painted this kitchen cabinetry. It was a pale mocha brown, and we wanted it to match the gray of the counter a little bit more. I already love it. It's actually lighter gray. Yeah, that's more like what it looks like. Look at that with the countertop. And that's what it was originally. Work in progress. Here's the last filming I did of it because it got too dark. The night fell. I also power sanded the marble countertop, and we took off that gloss finish on it. We left it unfinished, but you can pour on a finish and just wipe it on to protect the marble, because the marble should be protected. And of course I took my coffee on the terrace and watched the sunset and the light hit the water.